Alright, I'm going to be starting a new series called The Secrets of Windows 10. And this is for those of you that have already gotten a new Windows 10 computer or are going to get one in the near future. We will be moving eventually to where all GPISD computers are Windows 10. So this first episode I'm going to call the Start Menu. So if you've been using Windows 7, this is the desktop that you've been used to, and this is the Start Menu that you've had in the past. And we're going to be switching from that to the Windows 10 desktop and the Windows 10 Start Menu. So let's talk about some of the things that you should get used to on this. And so let's start with the Windows shortcuts. Okay, so over here on the left, when you click on the lower left hand corner, you click on the Start Menu, you'll see the new Windows 10 icon, and you're going to see the same power down button that you've had in the past. It has some different choices like sleep, shutdown, and restart. One of the things that you'll notice is gone is the logout, and in a future episode I'll be explaining how to do that. You're also going to see the new settings panel. So these are the settings, and we'll be talking about those also in a future episode. You can get directly to your pictures or your documents from here. Right? So if you click on Documents, it'll take you directly to your Documents folder. Okay. And you can look at your login as well. And then finally, you can expand this Start Menu or collapse it down so you can see the titles of the different icons without having to hover over them. Okay, next to that, what you're going to see is all of the installed programs that you have on your computer. So you can scroll through and find any program. You notice they're in alphabetical order and they have a little letter at the top of each section, so that you can find all the programs that are installed on your computer. Then next to that, you have the live tiles. Okay, so these are also basically just shortcuts to your programs, and you can have big live tiles or little live tiles. And we'll talk about how to add a program to a live tile or get rid of one that you don't want in a future episode. Down here at the bottom, you can search for something. So if I want to go to Microsoft Word and I don't want to have to type it, I don't want to have to go scrolling through, I can just type the word and it's going to find Microsoft Word. It found WordPad, and it's going to show you some settings that contain Word, and also search the web for Word. Okay, I can just open it directly from here. I can pin it to my taskbar, or I can pin it to my Start Menu, or in this case, unpin it to my Start Menu. Okay, so you can do a lot of different things right there from that. This is the task view, and I don't really use the task view, but I'm going to go ahead and show it to you anyways. So this is what it looks like with the task view on, and this is what, when you click it again, it goes back to the normal view. Next to that, this is your Finder. So this allows you to go and find all of the different folders that are on your system that you're used to seeing, like documents, downloads, pictures, your desktop. You can also find things that are attached to your computer, right? Like a thumb drive or things of that nature. And then down here you also have your pinned, anything that's pinned to your computer, such as Outlook I have, and Google Chrome I have pinned to my taskbar. And then finally over here you have kind of like your updates and alerts. So you have your network. You can see whether you're on Wi-Fi or whether your network's active. Your volume, the clock, and the date are also over here. And any update messages or notifications are going to come in this corner over here. So it's not that different from your Windows 7 desktop. There are a few minor differences, but nothing that you should be concerned about. All right, this has been the very first one of these, episode 1 of the Secrets of Windows 10, the Start menu. And I hope that you come back and see episode 2.